Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you the best settings to optimize Dola AI performance, a full guide for 2026. If you want faster responses, smoother processing, and fewer errors, these tweaks will help. First, make sure your internet connection is strong and stable. Dola AI relies heavily on your network, so use fast Wi-Fi or a wired connection for the best performance. Next, use an optimized browser. Chrome or Edge usually work best. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version to avoid compatibility issues. Clear cache and cookies often. Old data can slow Dola AI down. Go to your browser settings, clear cache, reload, and test performance. Disable unnecessary browser extensions and background apps. Ad blockers, VPNs, or heavy programs can affect Dola AI performance. Turn them off temporarily for smoother operation. Finally, check Dola AI's internal settings. Reduce task complexity if possible. Enable any performance or low latency modes and avoid running multiple heavy tasks simultaneously. And that's it. Following these steps usually gives you the best performance with Dola AI. If you're still having issues, contact support. They can help with account-specific optimization. Thanks for watching.